Hi, Colin with Diode. Excited to show you our SS3 fog light kit for the 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. Not only will this give you a custom off-road look that'll make your vehicle stand out, but it'll also give you a huge increase in overall light output compared to any factory fog light option. We offer our SS3 fog light kits in two separate SAE compliant options. One in a 6000K cool white driving optic that directs light downrange in a focus beam pattern, and another in a 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow fog light optic. This will distribute light directly in front of the vehicle at over an 80-degree spread. Unlike some other generic fog light pods on the market that may require custom installation, our SS3 fog light kits are a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment, and you can install them in the comfort of your garage using basic hand tools. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.